Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Locksport. Today is Shout Out Monday, the day that Starrylock and I promote Locksport channels under 100 subscribers. If you've got a Locksport channel that you'd like shouted out, or you know of one that would need a shout out, contact Starrylock or myself and we will make it so. We are looking for more channels to shout out for next year, so let us know who they are. Today's shout out was one of those requested shout outs, and it was a self-request. The question was, do you shout out working locksmiths? And yes, we do. This one goes out to Lockswood Ltd-Andy Perrin. Now, Lockswood Ltd is situated in the UK, and they like to take us along on their jobs. 73 subscribers, 28 videos, 6 months on the YouTube. So let's have a little look at some of their videos. Likes to do a little chat in the car, tell us what sort of job's going to head off into, and then away we go into the work. Some really interesting situations Andy has had to deal with, and one of the interesting things about Lockswood is that they're using a lot of tools that you and I are familiar with. Andy Max tools. We all know Andy Max lever tools. GJ locks. We also know GJ makes fantastic locksmith tools. So, 28 vids to check out. Really interesting stuff. Let's go back up to the top and I'll show you the video that I've chosen for today. Wasn't an easy choice because I like a lot of the videos. So the video I've chosen is the high security lockpicking, ABS, Uliton, Yale Platinum and multi-lock. So let's see what a locksmith does on their day off.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's not been a particularly busy day today, and I don't know what you guys do, any locksmiths that are watching, I don't know what you guys do, but I tend to go and get some locks out of the van and my picks and stuff, and just have a little sit at the dining table and have a bit of practice. I know it's a bit sad, but I kind of see my job as a hobby as well, and I love it. I actually really enjoy doing it. I could spend hours just sitting at my dining table. So, just went and got this ABS out of the van. It's a 3-star, British standard. Regarded as probably one of the best Euro cylinders on the market, to be fair. Oops, but the exterior side, that right? So that's the outside. Got the anti-snap there. Yeah, regarded as one of the best cylinders out there for security. Extremely hard to pick. Probably near on impossible without this dedicated pick.
That's all I'm going to show you on that one. The other thing that I want to tell you about Lockswood, there's no reference to Lockwood there, it's Lockswood. Why are they called Lockswood? It's because they're a locksmith and they're also a carpenter, hence Lockswood. So go check out Andy, give him some love, subscribe, like, comment, hit that notification bell, you know the drill. Watch a video for a minimum of 3 minutes, do all those things, otherwise YouTube thinks you are a bot and unsubscribes you. Lockswood has 73 subscribers, so let's see if we can bump them up to 100 subscribers by the end of this shout outs. That'd be really good. Let them know that they are most welcome in the Locksport community. You may have seen Lockswood commenting on other people's videos because they're getting around the Locksport community, getting to know people and other locksmiths that are into a Locksport. So thanks for watching everyone. Check out Starrylock's video later on today, doing another shout out. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.